cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full light, we fall in love. The middle of the night, just moving slow. Spend the whole night through. It feels so good to be with you.
Good Sunday morning, everybody. This is Dave with Cruising to Lose Weight, and we just pulled into St. Martin. St. Martin. We looks like we're about an hour early, but it might take them a while to get everything all organized and everything. But yeah, we're here. Yesterday was St. Kitts. Got my souvenir cap for St. Kitts. Beautiful day on the beach yesterday. Couldn't ask for more perfect. White sands. Water was a little cool since we're so close to the technical line for the Atlantic and the Caribbean, where that starts. So it was just a little bit cool, but it felt good. Yeah, so we did that. We did a little shopping and got back on the ship, ate a little bit. I think we ate a little bit too much because we gained 2 pounds yesterday, but we'll see if we can get that off. But today we got a excursion. We got about a 2.5 hour island tour to explore St. Martin. So looking forward to that. That should be about in a couple hours, looks like, and should be a nice, enjoyable day. Let's go over figures for last night and this morning. Blood pressure last evening, 126/76 with a pulse of 88. Blood sugars were 243. Our A1C actually went up a little bit at 9.28. And this morning, blood pressures are 127/75 with a pulse of 90. Blood sugars 164, and an A1C is going back down at 9.19. We ended up with 6,901 steps yesterday, and last evening was a pretty nice night of sleep. 8 hours and 15 minutes, and the sleep app gave us a rating of 91. Weigh-in this morning, 294.5. That's an increase of 2.4 pounds. And overall, since January 3rd, almost 20 days ago, we've gained 9.8 pounds. Now, I'm thinking a lot of that is going to be water weight. I've been drinking a lot of extra water just to stay hydrated. So I think that might be a factor in it, but we did have a nice MDR food evening last night. So some of those items might have been rich, but it was it was good, healthy, gourmet food. Not packaged or frozen with preservatives and everything. So I still feel comfortable, eating it that way. But we're going to keep an eye on that weight and see what it does over the next couple of days. Like I say, I'm surmising it's mostly water weight, but we'll see. But yeah, we've got our excursion planned for today, St. Martin. We'll see if we can pick up a souvenir cap for St. Martin's. And should be a nice, enjoyable day. Beautiful weather out there. I just stepped out on the front of the ship there to watch it come in. And it's breezy as always in the morning, and then it kind of calms down a little bit, but they're not expecting any rain today. Temperature should be in the mid 80s. Just a perfect tropical day in paradise. Appreciate you stopping in for the update. Subscribe, and we'll give you the results of our day here in St. Martin. Till next time, adios.